All right, welcome back, everybody. Time now for better food. We're making a unique and delicious Oktoberfest breakfast sandwich.
Smells so good in
so
here.
Does.
Scott Kluger and Mike Moriarty from the Hartford Baking Company are here to show us how it's done. Scott is the president and Mark is the culinary director at the bakery. It might have been New Park Avenue or West Hartford Center. So many yummy breads and goodies and delicious.
And Glastonbury coming soon?
Yeah, hopefully in the winter.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
New
The
location.
success is great. We love a local success story.
Okay, so tell us what about your Oktoberfest sandwich?
Yeah, we're doing a tater tot waffle sandwich for this Oktoberfest.
How do you do a tater tot waffle?
The science is pretty simple. It's a tater tot in a waffle iron.
Seriously?
Yep.
A lot of tater tots.
Yeah.
Just take tater tots and put them in a waffle iron.
Absolutely. You know, you're allowed to adjust it as you want, add whatever seasoning you like. But yeah, it's really simple. Just
That
tater
is
tots
so
and waffle iron.
cool.
Yep.
I never would have thought to do that.
Yeah, we thought it was appropriate with Oktoberfest. It's kind of a take on a potato pancake. You know what I mean? Just our little spin on it.
Okay, so you're starting with a hot pan, and what's that?
This is our own egg mix. We source our eggs locally from local farms. We're just going to scramble some eggs.
Oh, so that's it. My kids are always thinking, if you make an egg at home, it doesn't look like it does at a restaurant. That's how you're doing it. You're putting it in a bottle and squeezing it like that.
Absolutely.
All right.
I love that
Little trick.
idea.
Yep.
And that's I'm gonna put my
Because
egg.
you could, how long, if you were doing this at home, how long could an egg mixture last? How many days could you use it?
First day usually.
First day.
Yeah,
That's it.
Yeah, I try and use it immediately.
You can't use it the next day.
Same principles at restaurants as well.
Okay.
That's why it's key that we're sourcing it locally.
All right,
that's excellent.
Can't-
Okay,
doesn't
good.
last. Okay.
Yep. So we got the eggs. We've got the tater tot waffle, obviously, and we've got a house-made beer bratwurst.
Beer bratwurst.
Yep. We're grinding our own pork shoulder in-house for all of our breakfast sausage. This is just a take on that, where we're adding beer and making it more of a German-style sausage.
Looks delicious.
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to make that. And Scott, tell us a little bit, if people don't know, the Hartford Baking Company has quite the story. You've kind of risen locally, you can say.
Yeah, so we just celebrated our 9-year anniversary.
Wow,
for the New Park store. Thank you. We have the 2 stores now, New Park Ave and West Hartford Center. And we do a lot of bread now for restaurants.
I love bringing it if you're going to someone's house for the weekend. I love that it says Hartford Baking Company. Sometimes if you're going, just a little something to bring from Connecticut. So
Yeah.
I think it's just awesome, and I think that now that you can have a 3rd location, I can get to any one of them, which is terrific.
Do you serve breakfast all the time? Can we just walk into the one in West Hartford Center and you've always got breakfast sandwiches?
Every single day.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Egg sandwiches, breakfast burrito, avocado toast, big seller.
See, avocado toast is huge. We just
Avo toast.
what do you say?
Yeah.
Avo toast.
Avo toast. All right, very good. Oh, that looks delicious. So
Oh my gosh,
what
that
kind of
looks
cheese?
amazing.
So we're melting a little bit of Gruyere on that. Gruyere is basically a kicked up
Gruyere.
version of Swiss cheese.
Okay.
We're going to put it on our tater tot waffle with our beer brat.
Okay.
And then we've got the secret weapon. It's a little bit of a horseradish honey mustard we're going to be serving with it as well. Give it a little kick, a little bit of sweetness.
Horseradish honey mustard.
Horseradish
How
honey
beautiful
mustard.
is that?
And that's your sandwich.
Did you
that's
come
it.
up with this idea? You just sit there and say, I'm going to turn a tater tot into a waffle?
Absolutely.
This is all.
Well, it's been around. I've seen
That's
it in
why
a
he's
couple
the
different
culinary
places, but
director.
Yeah.
Who would think of that? I don't know. All right, so should we give it a try?
Yeah.
If you want.
No, well, of course I want. Let's try it. Carrie, you want to try it?
Well, it's
kind
you
of-
try
Want me
first.
to cut it for you?
Yeah. Because otherwise,
We'll see if the waffle stays together, but.
Okay.
that's okay, even if it doesn't. I just want to try it.
That is a big sandwich.
And this will be available starting on Monday.
Get in there.
Okay.
At both stores.
At both stores. And
until
Glastonbury.
we run out.
Glastonbury, you're thinking could open by the winter.
January at the earliest.
Okay.
But
And
who
just
knows?
before we run out of time here, this all goes to your mom, right? It was your mom's baking recipes that kind of started
My
your...
mom's pastry recipes were the inspiration for the whole thing.
I love
She
it.
baked at home all the time. We were used to waking up in the morning and, I tried a scone recipe, I tried this, I tried that. So I figured let's do something bricks and mortar, and let's do bread, and let's do
Spectacular.
So
egg
good.
sandwiches and
Really
things like
good.
that.
I'll try it in just a second, but we want to let you know for more information about the Hartford Baking Company, you can visit hartfordbaking.com or stop by for a visit. Again, the locations are one right on Farmington Avenue in West Hartford and New Park Ave, and a 3rd location is opening in Glastonbury.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for having
Continued
us.
success. Great to meet you guys.